In this video, we are going to review real campaigns on our Meta ads, and I will take you through step by step and then show you how did we move from 0.8x ROAS to 3x ROAS in a couple of months and how we are even scaling it further. So real campaigns, real strategy, no fluff. Okay, this is our real ad account. If you see here, I am just checking the website ROAS. So for this video specifically, we are looking at Meta campaigns only, for membership only, and for a particular region. We were at ROAS 1.37, then we were at 0.8, and then it jumped to 2.91, and then 1.3, and now we are at 2.89. Now, how did we do it is basically what we'll be discussing in this video. When we were struggling with our ROAS, the first problem we had is with the packaging. If you go to our website and if you see our courses ideally range from $79, $59, $59.99, let's say $50 is the average price. And to make your campaigns profitable at that price tag is difficult. If you have an option to increase your price tag, to increase your average order value, almost all cases whenever we do it, it just improves the ROAS. What we did is we came up with this full stack program where we created this bundle of all the courses, and it's a win-win situation for users. They have all the courses, they have all the structure of performance marketing here for fraction of a price. The average price jumped to $199. And that is when we saw an uplift in our ROAS. The other thing we did is we refined our landing page. Initially, our landing page used to talk a lot about there are 8 courses in this, there are this number of lessons, there are this number of SOPs, just deliverables. Now we have mixed copy, a structured way to learn performance marketing without confusion, fluff, trial and error. So the same logic has been applied throughout the landing page, where you will see the copy is a mix of outcome as well as features of this bundle. Let's jump into the campaign structure and see how my team is doing. There are 3 campaigns. There is one testing campaign, there is one scaling campaign, and there is one retargeting campaign. We never ever look at individual ROAS of the campaigns. We look at overall. We see very good ROAS in retargeting, but we know if we pause these campaigns, the number of purchases we get from retargeting reduces. We treat them as one unit. Let's make it, 2 weeks. The retargeting membership has generated 102 purchases and the ROAS is 12.87. 2.25 we have on scaling campaign and we have 205 purchases from there, and then we have 2.74 ROAS on our testing campaign. So in our testing campaign, what we do is have all the new creatives that we have, keep them here. We have ad set level budgets, meaning each new creative gets an equal chance. If they do good, then we move them to the scaling campaign. If they don't, then we pause them here. So right now, for example, we are testing these two, which is ABO membership carousel and ABO Yeti style. The carousel is doing good, 4.21. ABO Yeti, 15 conversions, probably went live 2 or 3 days ago, and it's not doing bad as well at 1.99 ROAS. Now that we're talking about Yeti style creative, I just want to show it, and that's where our sponsor for this video, TopView, comes in, because this video ad was completely created by AI with TopView. TopView is not limited to just creating video ads, but we use it mostly to generate a lot of AI ads. And the V2 version of TopView is powered by Seedance 2.0. TopView is a game changer when it comes to long form AI video creation. Inside one workflow, you can prompt scenes, refine them with the agent, queue multiple clips, extend scenes, and combine everything in one continuous video. So instead of jumping between tools and hacking things together, you can actually go from idea to storyboard to multiple scene video in one place. So if you're a creator or marketer who wants to make multi-scene AI videos without a messy workflow, check out TopView Agent V2 from the link in the description below. Also, Seedance 2.0 2.0 now offers 365 days of unlimited use. So now overall in our testing campaign, any new creatives goes to in an ad group. We have a dedicated fixed budget there, run it for 7 days and or 8 days, and then we see if the performance is good, the number of purchases and ROAS, then we move it to the scaling campaign. So let's go back and we have the scaling campaign. In scaling campaign, it's pretty straightforward. All of the winning creatives go here, and this is a campaign level budget set, and our scaling campaign is optimized towards ROAS, and we have a target ROAS as well. And if you go to the ad group settings, in terms of audience, I just wanted to show you, actually we are doing very broad targeting, like age 21 to 42, because it doesn't make sense to target beyond that, but all genders and all demographics and interest behaviors. We don't have any targeting at all. And then when it comes to retargeting campaign, I just wanted to show you here, we are targeting again maximize conversions to purchase event. And when it comes to audiences, we didn't touch anything, except we are including people who add to cart in last 60 days and added payment info, and then we are excluding purchasers who purchased any course in last 90 days because we don't want to retarget them. And when it comes to ads, I just wanted to show you, if you go here, there is just one ad group, and there'll be 3 ad sets, but all targeting, it's just the same creative in different versions. All of them are the same. Ramadan 40% off, and we only run these promo creatives in our retargeting campaign, and we use the same logic across Google and TikTok and other channels as well. It's exactly the same logic. Once we run these campaigns, okay, we did all these things, then we reached a very positive ROAS, and which we were happy with. But then the other problem that you start facing is scaling. Now, if you want to understand scaling in depth, like what are the things you should consider, we have a dedicated video about that. But for this particular campaign set, there were 2 main things. The first thing was horizontal scaling. We basically increase the campaign in all parameters. So the audience that we were reaching to, we increase that as well. You'll be like, what do you mean by that? You're open targeting. There's no targeting in your campaigns. What do you mean we are reaching more audience? What I mean by that is, now audience targeting is controlled by your creative. Based on the hook, the primary text, and what messaging and angle you're using, Meta automatically identifies who is the right audience for that. For example, if you see here in our scaling campaign, there will be a lot of ads live right now. So for example, if you see here, there are 21 ads live, and this is one campaign, one region. Another set might be live elsewhere. So what I'm trying to say is, we have more angles of our creative ads, specifically talking to a beginner in digital marketing. We have ads talking specifically to someone who's already a digital marketer, but we are asking, the messaging is to upskill with AI marketing course, with strategy course. And then we have business owners. Okay, if you want to run your own campaigns like agency pros do. So we have multiple. So basically for Andromeda, it's a lot of data, and they're like, okay, let's broaden the audience. Now we can target these kind of people as well. So that is what we call horizontal scaling, when you use different parameters to increase the scope and targeting of your campaign. The second thing is, once your campaign starts to deliver results, let's say 7 to 10 conversions each every week, your campaign comes out of learning. Never push your campaign back to learning. Don't make crazy changes in terms of optimization or whatever, even budgets. Maximum every 2-3 days, change 15%, 20%, less than 20%. If you want consistency, you have to be patient. These were the 2 things that helped us to scale these campaigns, and we are still scaling. Let me know in the comments if you want to see other type of campaigns. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one.